STMD stands for the Space Technology Mission Directorate. It's NASA's newest mission directorate, and our charter is to develop technology to enable us to explore deep space. Now, the way we do this is with 9 programs, and each of these programs has a specific purpose for technology. Some invest in projects, some invest in people, and some invest in new markets. One of the 9 programs is the Centennial Challenges Program. Instead of paying for development, we form a competition and we pay for an entrant that meets the rules of the competition. This is an innovative way to develop technology. Technology drives exploration, and so we're developing a whole host of technologies that will enable us to get humans and spacecraft on the surface of Mars. So when we talk about going to Mars, we can break it down into a couple simple segments. We have to get to Mars, we have to land on Mars, we have to live on Mars, and then we have to leave Mars. One of the biggest challenges is landing on Mars. The Mars Curiosity rover landed on Mars. We know we got to get more mass to the surface. We got to get more people, more cargo to the surface. So one of the big tests we just did off the coast of Hawaii is what some people call NASA's flying saucer. We took a vehicle up to Mach 4 at 180,000 feet and deployed new ways to slow down, a supersonic parachute and an inflatable structure. And that's some of the technologies we're working on to get us to Mars. We're going to get to Mars in a series of steps, and first and foremost is to use the International Space Station to practice, develop, learn how do we live, how do we thrive in space. From there we can go to the proving ground, above low Earth orbit, to the Moon, and there we can enable our ability to navigate, communicate, propulsion, and life support systems, and a stepping stone approach to get to Mars.